Hey, we're day 4. Yes, I hurt my thumb. Don't look at that. We're day 4, and of the Tig Welding challenge that I've given myself. And day 3.5, which I didn't film, was fraught with frustration and anger, and which you probably get when you're doing it on your own and you don't really know why you're doing things wrong, but you are. So I just threw the stuff down, walked away, grabbed the old MIG welder, did a few passes with that to try and build my confidence, and that sucked too. So then I just packed it all in and decided no more today. And then went back to basics, and what I found was I wasn't cleaning the mill oil and scale off enough, and I was cleaning it off of where I was welding, but I wasn't cleaning it off of the whole side, and it was building up heat, and that mill oil was, I guess, burning off or evaporating and bubbling up into the weld, and it was just non-stop porosity and bug holes and crap. So went back to it this morning, figured, okay, let's spend the time, we'll clean up the bits. I even used acetone to wipe the oil off, and I'll flip the old camera around and you can bring your peepers in on what I did this morning, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out the Instagram page at RustyBobs204, and like the video, comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong, any tips, tricks, all that kind of stuff. I'm open to it. So I started out today with this guy. Still ended up with a few holes in there, but that might have actually just been my speed was inconsistent or whatever. And then as we progressed, oh, there's one bug hole there. As we progressed on, that's looking all right, and that's looking pretty good, and that's looking pretty good. So I've still got to finesse my starts and finishes. As you can see, I got a big old blob there, and that. But for day 4, no instruction, a few tips from at Stupid Creations. I think I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I could paint that and be happy with it. Maybe not that, but the paint will fill in those holes. Hey, that was day 4, and we're getting there. Starting to get less frustrated. Hey, keep following along, and leave a comment below, and we'll check you maybe day 5 or 6.